forever software engineer rapper to a book do a da book you can prove anything by mentioning other computer language about privilege. The purpose of computing is insight, not numbers. Rapper forever telling a programmer there's already a library to do acts is like telling a songwriter there's already a song about love from above in a purely functional program. The value of a constant never changes, and yet it changes all the time. A paradox, unorthodox, rap robot. When someone says, I want a programming language in which I need only say what I want done, give him a lollipop, pop, snap, crack, pop, jumping on, pop off the jack in the box, hickory, dickory, dot. A data structure is just a stupid programming language, privilege. I'm not hackers are arrogant geek romantics. They lack the attentive spirit of inquiry. Software is a gas, it expands to fill its container. Software is a gas, it expands to fill its container. Rapper forever. Science is what we understand well enough to explain to a computer. Rapper forever. Art is everything else we do. Do. The code you write makes you a programmer. The code you delete makes you a good one. The code you don't have to write makes you a great one. Final source code is the real software design. Rhyme after rhyme. Learn not to add too many features right away and get the core idea built and tested. Wrap and infested. If it doesn't work, it doesn't matter how fast it doesn't work. Dirt. The main activity of programming is not the origination of new independent program, but in the integration, a modification of explanation of existing ones. I couldn't resist the temptation to put in a null reference simply because it was so easy to implement. This had led to innumerable errors, vulnerabilities, and system crashes, which have probably caused $1 billion of pain and damage in the last 40 years. Drinking all these beers, spitting software engineer, writing a class about this contract would be similar to producing an engineering component for electrical circuit, VLSI, very large scale integration, chip bridge engine without a spec. No professional engineer would even consider the idea of programming is not about typing, it's about thinking. Programming is not about typing, it's about thinking. Rapping never ending. There's nothing more permanent than a temporary hack. Rap. Architecture. Architecture is the tension between coupling and cohesion. Architecture is the tension between coupling and cohesion. Not rapping obsession. There is an art of knowing where things should be checked and making sure that program fails fast. If you make a mistake, that kind of choosing is part of the art of simplification. No amount of elegant programming of technology will solve a problem if it is improperly specified or understood to begin with. Learning to code is useful no matter what your career ambitions are. At the bar. Complexity has nothing to do with intelligence. Simplicity does. Later equals never. My rapper forever. When in doubt, use brute force. Computer science education cannot make anybody an expert programmer any more than studying brushes can, and pigment can make anybody an expert painter. Rapper never ender. The diagram is not the model. The model is not the diagram. It is an abstraction set of concepts and relationships between them. Rap, anthem, rhythm. Thinking is not the ability to manipulate language. It's the ability to manipulate concepts. Rapping never end up. Information shared by an object might or might not be part of the structure of that object. That is, the object might compute the information, or it might delegate the request for information to another object. Rap. If someone claims to have the perfect programming language, he is either a fool or a salesman, or both. No. Programs like people get old. We can't prevent aging, but we can understand its causes, limit its effects, and reverse some of the damage. Rapping never ending by forever. Software engineer, rapper, to the do.